Good morning, Royal Stars, and I welcome you in this session. Are you excited to learn something new? I can't hear it. Speak loudly. So, yes, now let's start. Firstly, dear parents, kindly note that firstly, write down date, classwork, and topic, simple letter. You can also say simple alphabet A and B. So, let's start. Okay, take out your pencil. Firstly, speak. You have to speak A for apple. A for apple. Speak again and again. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you how to write it simple A. Look at the formation. Okay, so watch it carefully. How many lines in English notebook? Count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from first line. You have to start from first line. Okay, red line. Firstly, starting from the first line, draw a slant line like this. Go down and touch the third line. Okay, start from the first line, top point, red line. Go down and touch the third line. Okay, and next go to the top point. Okay, once again draw one more slant line like this and touch the third line. Okay, in this center from second line make a sleeping line like this. What is this? A for apple. Speak and write. Have a look once again. It's so simple. Write down again. Start from first line. Go down, make a slant line. Again, go to the top point. One more slant line and sleeping line. Okay. What is this? A for apple. Speak and write. A. What is this? A. You can try along with me. You can try along with me. Again, once again. Start from top point. First line. Make a slant line. Again. One more slant line. Go down and in center point make sleeping line. Speak and write. You can try it again and again. Write down again and again. Start from first line, top point, make a slanting line, go down to the third line and go to the top point and one more slanting line like this. Okay, and in the center point, in second line, make sleeping line. Okay, like this. A for apple. Speak and write like this. A for apple. Write it again like this. Okay, student, do your work in proper formation. Next one is B for boy. B for boy. How to write? Look at the formation. So watch it carefully. Firstly, start from first line. Make a standing line. Make a standing line and touch the third line. Okay. Go to the top point. Okay. Make first semicircle like this. First semicircle and touch the center point. Second line like this. Go again. Make second semicircle. Move back like this, round turn touch the third line. Okay, B for boy. Write it again. Speak and write. Look at the formation. Firstly, start from first line. Okay, start from first line. Make a standing line. Go to the top point. Make first semicircle and touch this center point. Okay, second line. Move back on this line and make second semicircle. Touch it. Okay, B for boy. You can try along with me. Firstly, make a standing line. Go to the top point. Make first semicircle and second semicircle. What is this? B for boy. Speak and write. Again, watch it. Standing line. First semicircle and second semicircle. It's so simple. B for boy. Standing line. First semicircle and second semicircle. Go and write down. Make a standing line. Go to the top point. In first semicircle make. Move back and make second semicircle. B for boys. You have to speak and write. Okay. Do your work neat and clean, proper formation. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.